Roar! Hi! Ready to make a dinosaur movie with me? Roar some! Yee-haw! Ooh! Dun-da-da-da! I feel a movie coming on! Let's get this movie started!
Charlie's Colorforms City, yeah! Say hey, say hey.
Hey! Let's make a movie the Colorforms way!
There's no time to wait. We've got a movie to create. And when a movie's shaping up, we like to shake it up.
Here's something that you're not gonna want to miss. Let's give that movie a twist!
Charlie's Colorforms City, yeah!
Let's make something great!
We've got a brand new movie to create.
Mighty Movie Maker, let's get this dinosaur movie started! Once upon a time, you and I were back in the Colorforms movie studio. Here to make the biggest,
Number 3, coming through!
mightiest dinosaur movie ever! And this time, I get to play Mighty Charlie, the dinosaur movie hero!
Whenever, wherever you need a dinosaur hero costume, call Miss Weather!
Dino-rific! Thanks, Miss Weather.
You're welcome.
And with a little sticky magic, I am the Mighty Charlie! Woohoo!
So adventure-y, Mighty Charlie.
Onward, Mighty Movie Maker! Ha! All right, Mighty Movie Maker, what should our dinosaur movie be about? MacGuffin! What should we do in this movie?
Well, you could try to find me.
Ooh, on an island with roar dinosaurs!
Oh, I love it! Dun-da-da-da! Your mighty dinosaur movie starts now! Come find me in a dinosaur cave with sticky traps, if you dare!
In a dinosaur cave with sticky traps? We better find the MacGuffin. Here we go! Wow! A dinosaur island? Hey, look! It's the dinosaur cave. Let's be on the lookout for the MacGuffin and
Sticky traps!
whoa! Yikes! A sticky trap. There could be more sticky traps inside. I'm glad you're here with me. Come on, let's go. What? Whoa, a dino bridge. This movie is so surprising. Red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. Hey! These steps make a pattern. I love patterns. Red, blue, green, yellow, red. Red? Again? What? Red? Green! Whoa! That wasn't the pattern. What now? Okay. Oh, come on, creepy crawlies. That tickles. Hurry! We're making a movie here. Upsie, Charlie. Yeah. Yikes. 3 steps are missing. To find the MacGuffin, we are going to have to fix this bridge ourselves. But how? Let's shake it up! To fix the bridge, we need to complete the pattern. Which color comes next? The blue step! Dino-roo! Now which color should we use? The green step! I like it! Then, the yellow step! Yes! And drum roll, please! Boo-da-dino-doo! Let's get back to our dino movie. Blue, green, yellow. Yes, yes, yes! We fixed the bridge. Red, blue, green, yellow. We made it! I couldn't have done it without you. Onward! Whoa, a dino door! An egg-shaped door? Do you think the MacGuffin is behind it?
Maybe.
We can find out together. Whoa, dino eggs!
Sticky trap.
Yo-oh! We better get out of here! Whoa! Stick with me! Whoa! Phew, a dino egg do! Whatever is inside these eggs really wants out.
Here's the MacGuffin! You found me!
Yipperoo! We did it!
A dino baby!
Whoa!
I like. Whoa! You're a big dinosaur!
Hey! That's our MacGuffin.
She know your MacGuffin. She my MacGuffin. My precious MacGuffy-Wuffy. Oh, dear. Mine!
Yo! Not good!
Mighty Charlie!
What?
Mind me!
Our movie just got stickier. We need to go find the MacGuffin again. And fast. Into the jungle!
Mine! Uh-oh. I stuck! Mighty Charlie! Over here!
Come on, mighty jump! Yeah! Oh, no, no, no! Is this
Sticky sand? Yep.
sticky plot twist? We can't get out of this sticky mess! Color me blue. I'm sad. Is this how our movie ends?
No end! No movie end! Yeah. And do mighty heroes give up when they're sad?
No, not in our movie. If only I had a new mighty power so I could overcome this sticky sand and save our friends. Mighty Movie Maker, let's make something dino big happen. Power me, Dinosaur! Whoa! This dino power is is roarsome! Now, let's dino rescue our friends!
Yay, Dino Charlie! Charlie! I'm a happy baby!
Dino Roar-a-roo! We did it! Thanks to you, mighty movie maker.
And thank you, my mighty dino hero!
Ooh,
I am sorry, Dino baby.
that's okay, you cutie dino patootie.
Dino, we go play. Come on.
Yes! Color me mighty happy! What a dino-tastic movie adventure. The mighty end. Or is it? What if we made a robot space movie with lots of big movie surprises?
Can we? Can we?
What would happen in that movie? You've got a robot space movie to create! Ta-da! What?
Sticky trap!
MacGuffin!
Charlie?
Hello! Yeehaw! See you next time, Mighty Movie Maker.